Back on Britannia and that rack of lamb. The red wine and rosemary sauce is now underway.
So this sauce, this has been made with onions, carrots, celery and leek. You then add tomato puree, sprinkling of flour, red wine. Half a bottle should do it. The next stage is to add some beef stock. You then add the bones from the lamb, which have been browned off, 3 sprigs of rosemary, and then I need to leave that to simmer.
The royals enjoyed lamb cooked on board Britannia and learned to be wary when apparently offered it elsewhere. Take this feast on a Middle Eastern trip.
They were served this exotic Arabian feast with all sorts of strange things, mostly meat. We couldn't quite tell.
And of course, the great tradition is that you serve the guest of honour sheep's eyes.
I didn't see Diana touch any. It was a great joke that would she or wouldn't she?
Diana just sort of got out of it beautifully, charmingly, by just giggling.